Pallet and floor rack picking. Pallet picker will select PPL on the RF device for level 10 picking from picking pallet location. Floor rack picker will select floor rack picking on the RF device. Take a trolley cage and scan the trolley barcode. System will give you picking order and guide you to location of each item to be picked. You will go to location and scan location barcode. RF device will give you quantity and other details of items to be picked. You will cross-check RF details with shelf goods and then take to trolley. Press OK on RF to get another location. You should always double-check quantity in pieces before taking to trolley. You can do this by pressing F8. Once your order is complete, leave trolley in buffer area by scanning the buffer location barcode. This is only done if you are not taking the trolley directly to the dispatch area. Once you have scanned a trolley, do not press back on the system without picking the complete order. However, if there is an emergency and you have to leave the trolley, then pick at least 1 or 2 items and press F4. Then take trolley to buffer area. When you return from your emergency, take a new trolley and start picking again. Always double check quantity on the RF device with the quantity on rack. You can do this very easily by pressing F8, which will give you quantity in pieces. Do not pick carton without checking if quantity inside is correct. Make sure that you are picking from the same location that is scanned. If you scan a wrong location, RF will show error. In this case, do not press enter. Inform your supervisor immediately. Do not overfill your trolley. If trolley is full but picking order is not complete, press F4. Place trolley in buffer area, get a new trolley, scan the barcode and continue picking.